Okay, welcome folks. This is my presentation on solving one-step algebra equations. This is what we did today in class. And the first problem that we approached was something like this. 2x is equal to 40. Okay, and we solved this by, instead of getting 2x, getting 1x. So we divided both sides by 2. Okay, and found that 1x equaled 20. Okay. But we also learned how to check our answers. And we did that by taking 20 and plugging it back into the original equation and looking for a true statement. So we're looking for a true statement when we say 2 times 20 equals 40. And we can say that 2 times 20 is 40. That does equal 40, so our solution checks out. We got the correct answer. Second example that we did was 21 is equal to negative 7x. Okay, and we did the same type of steps. We divided both sides by negative 7. Okay, and we found that x equals negative 3 as our answer. Okay, now to check our answer, we want to take negative 3 and plug it back up into this equation for x. And we find that 21 is equal to negative 7 times, oops, let me get the right color in there, negative 3. And we're looking for a true statement. 21 does equal 21, so our answer checks out. We got it correct. Okay, a couple other examples that we did. We combined like terms. And the first step that you need to do is you need to simplify first. So I'm going to write that here. Okay. Now what that looks like is in a problem like this, where you have 9x minus 5x is equal to 24. Okay, and what I mean by simplifying first is to combine terms. Here we can combine x's, and so we get that 4x is equal to 24. Okay, and now it's our normal steps. Divide by 4 and divide the other side by 4. And we get that x equals 6. Okay, now to check our answer, we're going to take x is 6, plug it back into the original equation, but we're going to plug it into two spots, right here and right here. And we're going to check our equation. So we're saying, does 9 times 6 minus 5 times 6 equal 24? That's what we're looking for. Oops. So we're going to plug 6 in for x to both spots. And we find that 24 does equal 24. So our answer checks out. Okay. One last example that we did was very similar. We started with negative 3x plus 6x is equal to negative 30. Okay. And remember, the first step is to simplify. So we can combine negative 3x and 6x into positive 3x, and we know that equals negative 30. Okay, and then from here, we divide both sides by 3, and we find that x equals negative 10. Okay, but we do always want to check our answer, And so here we need to take negative 10, oops, calibration was a little bit off. We need to get negative 10 and plug it into our original equation for both x's, here and here. And we write negative 3 times negative 10 plus 6 times negative 10 equals negative 30. Okay, so we take negative 10, plug it in here. Okay, so notice what we get. We have that 30 plus negative 60 equals negative 30. Positive 30 plus negative 60 is negative 30, and so that does equal negative 30. Our answer checks out. Okay, so hopefully that was a good review of what we did in class for you. Tomorrow we're going to move on to 2 steps. Thank you for watching.